How to fix Minecraft lag easy and quick. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix Minecraft lag easy and quick. First, all you need to do, just go to settings and then go to privacy. Now once you're here, go to background apps and turn off all background apps here just by turning off first option. And now just go to go to your desktop, right click on it, go to NVIDIA control panel. This method will work with NVIDIA users GPU. Now just click use my preference, move it to performance and click apply, and that's it. After that just close it, and now that's it, your problem must be fixed. And that's it for today's video, just to start your PC, and that's it. I hope that can help you. Don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and see you in the next video.